In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Docusign dynamic templates in 2023. Whether you're managing agreements regularly or you're new to electronic signatures, this guide is tailored to simplify the process. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. You'll find their website simple to navigate and efficiently structured, which is a great help in making this process smooth. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, locate the login button. It's typically positioned on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to create one. It's straightforward and ensures you can proceed with creating your templates. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. The homepage acts as the main hub and offers several options tailored to suit your needs. To continue with creating a template, you need to focus on the templates section. Click on it and it will guide you to where you can manage or create new templates. Now with the templates section open, you'll see the create template option. Click on it to initiate the process of building your first dynamic template. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the agreement workflows you'll soon establish. Next, upon starting the template creation, you'll be prompted to specify the role. This serves as a placeholder for individuals who will be involved in signing or managing the document. It's important to outline the roles carefully to ensure the right people receive and manage the document as intended. Once you have defined the roles, proceed to add the necessary details to the template. This includes inputting essential information such as the participants' details, document content, and any other relevant instructions. Keep in mind that this step is flexible, so you can tailor everything to your specific requirements. As you enter the details, double check for accuracy and completeness. Correctly specifying these details is vital for both the functionality of your template and the validity of your agreements. After finalizing all inputted information, review everything one more time to ensure it's ready for use. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully created a dynamic Docusign template that is all set for use. Remember, these templates streamline the signing process and enhance agreement management, especially when you deal with multiple agreements. So take advantage of these features, make necessary adjustments as required, and utilize the templates for efficient handling of your documents. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. I hope this guide proved helpful, and feel free to revisit any step as you explore all that Docusign offers. Happy signing!